Hi there. Welcome to another Bodaq video. Today we're going to show you how to wrap different curved surfaces, give you a little brief tutorial, show you what the material can do. We're going to start with this round piece of dowel, move to this curved molding, and then we'll take on this wrapped around piece of MDF here. Okay, so as with any kind of raw wood, you want to prime it first. It's going to give a better surface for the material to adhere to. Make sure that it's sanded smooth. That way any imperfections aren't going to show through the final product. Smooth. Dowel. Now we're going to go through and show you how Bodaq Film is going to be able to wrap around this molding here. Just take your time, make sure you're following the curvatures of the surface. Really, no. No heat was needed. Took that fairly well. Okay, for this last demonstration, we're going to show you how we're able to wrap this round board. How the material heats and stretches is going to be part of this. So, Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, Bodaq films take curved surfaces fairly well. They're really flexible. If you have any other ideas for videos, information that you would like to know, leave a comment. Just request, anything you're interested in, and we'll work to see if we can give you some tutorial or an explanation on the process. Thanks.